Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the battery drain on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So first, what you guys want to do is enable battery saver in settings. So go over to settings. Now here we need to scroll a bit down until we see battery. And here, as you guys can see, we need to click on power saving. Now after we click on power saving, let's click here on the left side and not the switch. And here we will be able to change the power saving options. So if you want a smooth display while using the power saving, then you will need to disable the limit CPU speed to 70% and then disable the set motion smoothness to standard. As you guys can see, you will basically turn off always on display, decrease the brightness, and set the screen timeout to 30 seconds, and also use the dark mode. So without performance limits like your CPU speed and the motion smoothness, it will be basically pointless to use the power saving. But when you use it, then basically you're guaranteed that your battery won't drain. Now moving on, what we can do is we can change the display settings. So it's right here, it's close to the battery, and here we need to either lower the screen brightness by ourselves. So grab it and now you guys can slide it, and then what you guys can also do is enable the adaptive brightness, but I won't do that because it's so bright. Now what else can we do is we can disable the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and our location when we don't need it. So open up the control center. Now here, as you guys can see, we have the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, and here now Bluetooth is enabled, and here it needs to be gray to be turned off. Now we're gonna turn off the Wi-Fi, and here we can open it up and here disable our location. But without location access, then whenever your device is lost, you just won't be able to find it, so make sure to only turn it off at home. And now when you're using something, simply turn it on, and when you're not, then turn it off. Now what you guys can do is go back to the battery settings. So go over to settings, go to battery, and here you guys will basically identify the high drain apps. So let's scroll down, and here you guys will see the apps that are draining the battery the most. So for me, it's One UI Home, Personal Data Intelligence, and from all of those apps, basically Spotify is an app that we want to stop, so we can enable background usage limits. And as you guys can see now, the app will be put to sleep when not in use. And last, what we can do is we can update the software to fix any battery related bugs. So go over to the main page. Now here, let's scroll down until we see the software update. Now click download and install, and it will check for updates automatically. So as you guys can see, I'm running the latest One UI version, Android version. And if you're not, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. As of 31st of the July, when the video is being recorded, this is the latest version. If there's an update in the future, then make sure to do that. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.